Where's Beavis? Go get Beavis. Go find him. Oh, there he goes. You better go get him. Go get the Beavis. Whoa, crazy girl. Here comes Beavis. Where are you going? Come get Beavis. I don't think Maxie wants to play. I don't think Max wants to play. Aww, give Beavis a hug. Oh, that's nice. Hi, Beavis. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Bye-bye.